Coming soon, step into the future in the heart of London and discover a hidden gem in Reggae Roots Market, a bustling Jamaican market bursting with life and colour. The air is alive with the rhythm of reggae music and the chatter of friendly voices. Vivid fabrics drape the stalls, showcasing the colours of the Caribbean. From the moment you arrive, the energy is infectious. It's a sensory overload in the best possible way. The sights and smells are intoxicating. Exotic fruits and vegetables you've never seen before spill out onto the street. The scent of jerk spices fills the air, making your mouth water. This is a place where you can find everything from plantains and yams to callaloo and breadfruit. This market is a haven for anyone who loves to cook Caribbean food. You'll find all of the essential ingredients here, from fiery Scotch bonnet peppers to fragrant thyme and pimento. Need some fresh ackee for your saltfish? No problem. Looking for some breadfruit to fry up? Reggae Roots Market got you covered. And don't forget the spices. Huge sacks overflow with vibrant yellow turmeric, rich brown nutmeg and fiery red Scotch bonnet powder. The smells alone are enough to transport you straight to the Caribbean. But it's not just about the food. The real heart of this market lies in its people. The staffs are warm, welcoming, and always happy to share their knowledge. They'll tell you how to prepare a dish, recommend the best ingredients, and even share a joke or two. The sense of community here is palpable. Regulars stop to chat, catching up on each other's lives while browsing. It's a place where everyone feels welcome, and the spirit of the Caribbean is alive and well. Feeling peckish? Tucked away in a corner of the market is a little restaurant that serves up the most authentic Jamaican food this side of Kingston. Imagine plates piled high with jerk chicken, rice and peas, and fried plantains, all bursting with flavour. The restaurant is a local favourite, always packed with people eager to get a taste of home. The food is cooked with love and seasoned to perfection. It's the perfect way to round off your visit to this hidden gem of a market. Show some love to Reggae Roots Market. Just make sure to save room for some rum cake for dessert. Thanks for watching.